Your saw uses a variable speed switch. The switch turns the saw on and off and allows you to vary the speed. Over time, the switch can fail. It may no longer turn the saw on, might work intermittently, or might only run at one speed. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear handle housing. Now I can replace the switch. I'll remove the switch from the housing and note the location of each of the wires. Then I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can install the new switch. First I'll install the black wire. Now the two small white wires, they both attach to the connector just to the left of the black wire. Next, the white wire from the cord. Now the red wire. And last, the wiring harness on the top of the switch. I'll give the wires a twist and place the switch back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the housing. And that's how easy it is to replace the switch in your recip saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.